I was enjoying my scale model building during a nice weekend afternoon and... oops. Today we are going to build this LWS2 amphibious tractor from HobbyBoss. It's the prototype version. The kit is in a simple design with nice details. The amount of the parts is not crazy. The rivets are sharp, no bing marks, no flash. Clear and lovely. The kit offers individual link tracks. The teeth are hollow, 107 pieces on each side. Let's build it from the bottom up. The suspension system and running gears of LWS2 are modified based on Panzer IV's design. They look similar to each other. Interestingly, the suspension system is workable. The ball heads on the final driving cover are over simplistic. To improve the result, there were lots of aftermarket options. The parts fit each other well. I didn't see any assembly issue during the whole process. But at the same time, we could say some of the designs are over simplistic. It doesn't leave you more room to choose a different stage. This is the wrong way to pick a small part in a closed area. And this is the right one. Adding some missing details, especially wires and ankle chain. LWS2 has very thin armor. I would like to surround the command tower with sandbags to reasonably enhance its protection. It's purely personal that I would like to add a machine gun tower on the deck. I don't have many options in terms of this purpose. The kit is from RiichModel. There's an operator and decal for the figures in the box. I don't want to leave a nice compliment on it. The plastic is super soft and some parts are thin and fragile. What annoyed me the most? I have bought the kit twice, simply because the first one has a huge defect on it. The issue is on part D20. A very essential structure of the part is completely missing. If the kit is in your storage, I recommend that you double check on it. The LWS2 uses KGS 61/380/120 tracks. In simple words, the Panzer III/4 tracks 38cm version. It's worth mentioning that the final driving cover is not well attached to the chassis. They can't be fixed well. There's a huge room between the two parts. To go with the vehicle, I had to prepare some figures for it. Et voila! If you want to have a peaceful, hobby-enjoyed weekend, the kit is not a bad choice. I'm going to make it look cool in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.